Hello everyone, welcome to my phone. Okay, I get it. You have these handouts that are great, you have a textbook that you can't use, you have all these materials and you're figuring out how can I deliver them to my students in a way that makes sense. It's all on paper right now or it's bolted to my wall. It needs to go into Teams or Outlook or OneNote or wherever you're using. This is going to be amazing. It's using the OneDrive app. If you don't have it, please get it. Just sign in with your MUSD account. It will scan in full HD and get any kind of document wherever you want to go. Here is how it works. As you can see right now, I have the OneDrive app right there, middle of my phone, and I recommend you all get it as well. Gonna open it up. Now, if you want to save things in a specific folder, go ahead. This is an example, so I'm just going to save it right in the beginning here, in the front page. So you see in the bottom right, there's a little camera. Now, there's also a plus at the top right. You can add files that way too. There's always multiple ways to do things. I'll always teach you them all. Now, this is an Android. It's a Google Pixel. It runs on Android, so just know if you have an iPhone, it's going to have all the same features. It just may look a little different and have things in different places. The first thing I'm going to do is teach you guys how to eliminate the need of a scanner. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that little camera in the blue circle bottom right. So right away, you can already see the blue lines. It's trying to capture something for me. But we have different options. We have whiteboard. We have document, business card, and photo. Basically, it's kind of the same deal. It just has different resolutions. So overall, we're going to go with a document. Now we have this thing here. My little boy isn't even of school age, but my wife is getting in on the homeschooling thing anyway. So he's really learning his letters now, so I just grabbed this. So you notice whatever shape it is, if it's portrait or landscape or anything else, right away the OneDrive app will try to find the proper shape and make it happen. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that capture button in the bottom center there above the word document. So you notice, 95% of the time it'll take it perfectly, but if it doesn't, and I did it on purpose that way, to show you it's no big deal. Look at the top, we have some options. There's the left arrow, then a trash can, and then the crop icon. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and now we can crop it however we want. I'm going to grab that left side center dot and bring it in. Now, if I want to crop just a portion of the photo, I can bring that in or down. I can get all weird and odd shape as well, get some triangle in there, right angle, but we'll just keep it as a regular rectangle for there right now. And that looks good, so I'm going to click done. But Khalil, what if there are multiple pages? Oh, great question. So let's go ahead and hit up C and D. Instead of clicking done, I'm going to go over here on the left, the lower left corner and click add new. Lower left corner, add new. Boom. So there it is again. I could probably click crop. Oh no, that's pretty good actually, so I don't need to crop that. So there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and click new again. There we go, it found the shape automatically for me. You see, usually it does the first time I was moving it around so it would mess up purposely. So there we go, and you know what? We can go on and on and on, as many pages as we can. I had some students do a whole 20-page book in a few minutes the first time he ever used it. So there you have it. But we have some other options up here too. We can rotate it over here. Options here for those options in the camera. You can see the resolution here too. Whiteboard, business card looks a little different. Photo looks a little different. That's the whole photo. But I'm going to go back up to document because that's what I want. I could add some text to it. So for people who, use say Snapchat or Instagram or things like that, works the same way. So this is fantastic because you can have a PDF file, but you could also add text and notes and teacher advice on top. And if you're a doodler, so you have an art class, for example, or you just like to use your handwriting, you have a stylus or a finger, you can go ahead and, click some green on here. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and do a little E with my big fat fingers. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, yeah, hope my wife's not a tough grader. Anyway, so with that being said, we can go ahead and just click done on that, the bottom right. However many pages you want, it's no big deal. Now, here's how we finish it off. That's a pretty ugly title. Scan 2023, 29, 21, blah, 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 blah. Let's give it an actual title. We'll say, oh, that's my option there. I'm going to move that up. Alphabet A to F. Right there. And where do I want to put it? I'll put it in my just regular files. Like I said, the main folder. If I have different folders I want to put it in, I can just go ahead and click that. And I can put it in different teams here as well, as you can see. But with that being said, I'm going to just go ahead and save it right then and there by clicking the check mark at the top right corner. Again, the check at the top right corner. So it's uploading the scan right now. Again, we got a lot of devices streaming, so my internet's not super fast right now, but scan is uploaded. It actually did take, that's pretty good. So that's on my OneDrive right there. You can see alphabet A to F, and that is a full-on PDF file. So not just an image file, people taking a picture, that's a PDF file. Even has my little E right down there, and I can see the quality of it. Full HD the whole way through as well. So every smudge from every student of Alphabet goes past. But it gets better. Check this out right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera on, and already, let's see, camera on, and already, as you can see right here, can I make this bigger? Oh, I can. No, I can't. All right, anyway, already, this is my MUSD device, and you can see the file is right there, my MUSD device. I did not touch anything. It was not on there beforehand, and right now it is. I can open that up, and the PDF file is available right there. I go over here. This is my office.com. Office.com from anywhere in the world, and we look at the bottom. We can see the file is also right here as well. So without even doing anything extra, just uploading it as a PDF to my OneDrive through the app, not only do I have a better quality PDF than most scanners will, because the average smartphone now has an HD camera, it's now available in every single device. I could go on to, well, whoever's listening, I can go on to your computer right now, log in with my MUSD info to office.com, and I can find that exact same file I just did. Then you can just go to your OneDrive, create a link, go to my linking video, and that's a wrap. So with that being said, all of you now have the ability to completely remove scanners from your daily business. If you can't get to the scanner, you're stuck at home and you can't get to campus, you don't want to go to campus or whatever, you don't need to. If you have a smartphone, which most of us do, you have this ability. Or even if someone in your house has a smartphone, get the app, do it for just that one purpose, and then that is all. So again, here it is. We have it. You can go ahead, you can even edit it, write on it, doodle around. Let's see here, scribble, 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 scribble. If you got some, we're gonna put some shapes on there as well. Yes, I would like a square right there, please. There, my square is there. More squares, more squares. Who teaches geometry at the school now? Okay, fill me in, whoever you are. And we got some new notes on here. We could add a note in whatever colors. Hey, hey, there we go. But the note, I don't even know where that ended up. But anyway, there's so many things you can do on here. Just keep clicking around. Nothing's going to blow up. Oh, you could even sign it. That's a new option. Even I'm learning and dated as well. So there you have it. There's lots of things you can do. Full scanning potential right there from your phone. All the things you used in class, you can put them online just as easily in a matter of moments. I'm here if you need me. Good luck, everyone, and have yourself a fantastic day.